Cinnamon Toast Crunch Milkshake. Dude, if I wasn't on a diet, I'd be eating this right now. I know many of you go, wait a minute, Sky, you've been on a diet for 45 years, okay? You know, since 1852. Hey, shut up. All right, caramel syrup, and then we have crushed Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the real Cinnamon Toast Crunch, okay? Now we grab our milkshake glass, which right now is probably like a pint glass. We stick it in on our Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and we have a nice cool rim. Then we get some vanilla ice cream, the cheap kind, okay? We're not using Haagen-Dazs, we're using the store-bought brand. A bit of vanilla vodka, some rum cream in there. Come behind it with some cinnamon whiskey. And then we blend away, beautiful. Put some caramel syrup in our jar. And then we pour in this mix, guys. This is awesome, okay? Some whipped cream. Bang. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Caramel syrup on top. Stick a straw in that. Guys, this is an awesome mix. It will change your life. I know, I can't say that enough.